Hello, my name is Nicolas Merritt and I'm a physician associate here at Unity Healthcare. A Medicare Wellness Visit isn't about being sick, it's about prevention. And during this visit, we'll sit down with you and we'll talk through your health history and make sure that you're up to date on important screenings like mammograms or colonoscopies. We'll also check on things that help you be safe and independent, like your hearing, your vision, and your risk of falling. We'll also take time to talk about your memory and how you're feeling day to day, just to make sure that you're supporting your overall health. It's also a chance to review your medications and talk about your personal health goals. And if you need extra help, like seeing a specialist or getting connected to community resources, we can guide you there too. These visits let us look at your whole health, not just one problem at a time. That way, we can help prevent issues before they start and help you stay healthy and active. And the best part, your Medicare Wellness Visit is covered every year at no cost to you. So, if you're a Medicare patient, ask about scheduling your annual wellness visit today. It's preventative, it's easy, and it's one of the best steps you can take for your health. We look forward to seeing you at Unity Healthcare.